Good day, Finch friends. I've got an exciting addition to our Finch remote control. Start by launching your Finch Connection app and then make sure you open Scratch. When Scratch loads, choose the I understand, tell it OK. If your Finch is connected, you'll get the green light. Make sure you load your previous project, which we store in the documents, and then the Finch folder, and find the last one you created. When it asks to replace contents, tell it OK. Tell it OK. You'll have much more than me, but are you ready for something awesome? Here we go. You'll have more buttons You'll have more buttons than I do, which is cool. Just remember, we're always adding more. Let's click down on our right button, right click, and let's hit duplicate. I want to change it to be a horn, so I'm going to click on the little eye, and I'm going to name it horn. I'm going to go left, I'm going to switch its costume, and I'm going to make it so that it says horn. You can change all your colors, anything you want like that. Arrange it like we always do. Arrange it like we always do by grabbing the other side. And then switch to your scripts, and this is where we do the exciting code. Instead of the move command, pull those out, and then right-click delete them. And then click on the sound button, and we want to add a sound. We have to upload our sounds, so we're going to start a brand new tab. We're going to go to Classroom. We're going to find our course. We need to find the Lesson 9 Finch Sounds project, and then I've shared a Drive folder with you. In this folder, you'll find different sounds. You'll find some horns, you'll find some sirens, and you'll find other things I allow. And what you need to do is pick the one you like. So I'm going to hit the first one, and when I double-click it, it plays. If you like that one, fine. If not, test the others. And when you find the one you like, right-click on it and choose Download and put it in your Downloads folder. Once you save that, go back to ScratchX, and we need to upload that sound file. So once again, we find it in our Downloads folder, and you simply upload it. Now we can go back to our horns script, and we can have it play the sound when the sprite is clicked. You can test that on your remote. When you've got all of your buttons added, make sure you do File Save Project. Make sure you switch to your Documents Finch folder if for some reason you have moved, and pick a different name. Get rid of all the SBXs and back it up and make it version 8 of your cool file. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun making many, many cool epic sounds. If there's a sound that I'm missing, I will try and get it for you if you let me know. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe.